Hi everyone, I'm Kalyan from Bangalore. Recently graduated from IIES Institute of Technology in the year of 2024. I'm here to share my journey with IIES. Joining IIES is one of the best decisions taken in my life. I have got placed at Mirafra Technologies with a package of 4 LPA. When I first joined IIES, I am not sure how to navigate in this competitive job market. The structured approach of institute with practical learning has made it possible. The practical classes and the industry exposure has enhanced my skills and confidence. And I want to thank the IIES placement team. They helped me a lot and guided me throughout my journey. At last, I am thankful for the entire IIES team for helping me to secure a dream job at Mirafra Technologies.